must have coffee. No, this can't be happening. Come on, work, you beautiful caffeine beast.
What's wrong?
The coffee machine is broken. I can't function. Tell my boss. I tried.
Hey, you just watched a video made entirely by me. Shocking, right? Well, it's true, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Have you ever seen those viral stick figure animations like Rico Animation and wondered how they're made? Most tutorials teach you the manual way, requiring hours of drawing and animating frame by frame. But what if I told you there's a much easier way? Today, I'll walk you through a step-by-step method to create stick figure animations using AI. No drawing, no manual animation, just free beginner-friendly tools. Then, we'll bring it all together in CapCut to create a professional-looking video. Even if you've never animated before, this method makes it incredibly simple. Step 1. Crafting the perfect script with AI. To generate engaging storylines, we'll use chatgpt. First, join our Telegram channel and copy the prompt provided there. This prompt is designed to create both single-person and multi-person conversation scripts, just like those used in viral animation videos. Paste it into chatgpt, and it will generate detailed scripts complete with scene breakdowns and character dialogues. Once you have your script, copy and paste it into your notepad for organization. Now let's move on to character design. Step 2. Creating character descriptions. To maintain consistency in character design, we need detailed descriptions. Use our second ChatGPT prompt, which outlines attributes like gender, hairstyle, clothing, and facial expressions. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT, and it will generate accurate character descriptions for every role in your script. Store these descriptions in another Google Docs file for easy reference. Step 3. Generating AI-driven image prompts. With the script and character descriptions ready, it's time to generate images. Instead of manually drawing every frame, we'll use AI. Another ChatGPT prompt helps create precise image descriptions. Copy a scene from your script, paste it into ChatGPT, and add character descriptions below it. This will generate a set of prompts covering every important shot. Next, use Leonardo AI to turn these prompts into stick figure images. Choose the Flux Schnell model for cost-effective image generation and experiment with dynamic and illustration styles. Ensure your prompts include stick figure before every character name for consistency. Generate images for each shot, double-check the details, and download them. Step 4. Animating the images with AI. Now that we have our images, it's time to animate them. For creating amazing AI-generated videos, let me show you an awesome tool, Genspark AI. Just click the link in the description, sign up with Google, and you'll get access to this powerful platform. And here's the best part. If you use my invite link, you'll get 1 month of free subscription, and I'll get one too. Now, let me walk you through it. Once you're in, head over to the video generation section. You can choose from different video generators. I'm using Kling AI because it gives incredible results. Just enter the animation descriptions for each shot and boom, your video is ready. And don't worry, this video isn't sponsored. I just found an amazing deal and wanted to share it with you, so don't miss out. Sign up now with my link, grab your free month, and start creating awesome AI videos today. Step 5. Adding voiceovers. A good voiceover brings characters to life. Use 11 Labs to generate high-quality AI voiceovers. Paste your script into 11 Labs, remove unnecessary text, and assign voices to each character. Convert the text to speech and download the voiceover files. Now we're ready for the final step. Step 6. Editing everything together in CapCut. Open CapCut and import your animations and voiceovers. Arrange the clips according to the script and sync the dialogue with the animations. Add text overlays, captions, and sound effects for a polished look. Once everything is in place, export your video and it's ready to go. That's it.
Must have coffee. No, this can't be happening. Come on, work, you beautiful caffeine beast.
What's wrong?
The coffee machine is broken. I can't function. Tell my boss. I tried.
With these AI tools, you can produce high-quality animations in minutes instead of spending hours on traditional methods. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more content like this. Need help? Join our Telegram channel for earning-related updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.